What's up? Hello. Are you doing work? Take it there. Hi, Babu. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Isha, is this hard? Papa, what happened? It's not go there? Okay. Good job, Abiha. Good job, Abiha. Wow. It's hard? It's slippery? It's snowstorm today, guys. You know that.
And you know Pikachu is mad at you.
How's the experience, Abia?
It's fine. It's very fun.
It's very fun. Good job, Isha. You clean properly. Good job. Now, Popo time. Popo. Jan, Popo. Jan, Popo. Gonna do that. Good job, Popo. Good job, Popo. Good job, Popo. Keep going. Keep going. Push, push, push. Good job. Ali, look. Your sister is working and you are having fun. You have to help her. Good job, guys. Good job, Popo. Good job, Popo. Good job, Popo. Good job, Popo. Good job. You did good job, Popo. Wow. Popo, don't pick up. Good job. Good job. Okay, that's quite good.
You got this.
You got that. It's such a hard, guys.
Even though you're wearing sunglasses and it's not sunny.
It's not sunny.
What? That's
You guys drink better than me, you know.
I don't care.
For sure. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Such a hard work.
Really?
Yes.
Welcome back to me and Isha's vlogs. As you guys can see, snow is clearly. We're shoveling and it's cold. Look, anyways, it's going to be a snowstorm anyways. We're just shoveling so it doesn't have a high tide to the snow.
Exactly. Babu. Babu, where's your gloves?
This is how much snow we have.
Oh my God, Ali, where's your gloves? And you are so comfy with snow.
And it's not that.
So there's a... What are you doing, Babu?
Yeah, there's more snow. I know.
What are you doing, Babu? You helping Isha? Isha, happy. Good job, Ali. Oh, finally, someone is here to help us. Ali, you have to wear gloves. Your hands getting red. Bro, you have to wear gloves.
Bro, I don't have to wear gloves.
No, you have to.
Bro, I'm not wearing my gloves.
Babu, you have to.
Bro, I'm not wearing my gloves.
You. Baji,
Baji?
you have to wear gloves.
Nay!
Yes.
Nay!
Oh, good job, Abiha. How much you eat roti, Abiha? Hey, Jan.
Yeah.
Not you. I'm talking about Isha. Isha is Jan too, right? Why you say always Jia? Did I call you? Isha, what are you doing? Hey, Jan. Why you keep talking, Bobo? Hey, Popo, Biha. Hey, Popo, Zoha, Isha.
I'm trying to build a snowman, but it's not
Yeah.
working.
Okay, Isha, usko gloves. Popo, come. I can help you. Jan, come. Isha, can you help her, please? उसका gloves cover करने के लिए. Yeah. Isha, तुम टोपी नहीं पहन कर रही हो? You have a fun? Babu, why you red? Okay, do you feel cold?
No. Are you cold?
Thank you.
Never! I know.
Huh?
I am
Why you feel so much comfy? Are you feel so comfy? No? Okay. Okay, guys, let's go down. Let's go inside. Okay. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.